For both of the assessments this week for concept of print and alphabet, I assessed one of the younger children in my classroom, in my special education classroom. I haven't really done this assessment on too many people, but I wanted to see how he did. So for the first one on orientation or layout of text for front of book, he scored a 3. He did really well on that. He's pretty good at identifying that stuff. Number 2, he didn't get any points for. He got show me the picture, but he didn't want to show me the words. Number 3, direction of print. He scored 1 point. He did pretty well on this show me where to start reading. I don't know. Number 2, he didn't want to show me the words for some reason. Even with following up questions. For 4, he got 0 points for that. For 5, he got all the points for showing the difference between letters and words. So that was 4 points. Number 6, I did this with him and he didn't want to show me where to read after, even with a lot of prompting, but that's fine. And number 7 and 8, he did score points for. He had a total of 10 out of 13 points, which I'd say is a pretty good score. I believe he could have done better, but he didn't want to be assessed today. And then on to alphabet. The alphabet assessment, he did amazing. I gave him this alphabet chart and asked him to point to each letter and identify them, or say he didn't want to point to it, I pointed to the letter, and he did pretty well. He's pretty good at writing as well. I didn't give him these small boxes. I gave him a bigger sheet of paper and had him write in those boxes because these were way too tiny for him. But yeah, the assessment went well, and that was it. That was all my findings for this.